Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're unboxing another micro brand that contacted me and asked if I'm willing to review their watch. They agreed to my one and only condition, which is that I get to say whatever I want to say, the good, the bad, and everything in between. And here we are, a couple of weeks later, a package arrived to my doorstep. So let's open this and see what's what. The brand is named Karl Leimon, as you can see on the box, and they're from Japan. The watches are also apparently made in Japan, and the package was definitely shipped from there. So let's open this. Inside we have a receipt, which is something we'll move away, and we have another box. So let's move this big packaging away, and this is the main box. It's a nice cardboard box, nothing special, but not too bad. The box is actually quite heavy. Let's open this one and see what we have inside. Here we have Ambassador event. So this is some kind of a card in Japanese that I cannot read. It's in here. We have the warranty, and we have probably a user manual. Yep, user manual explaining the moon phase and everything. Let's move that away, and it's in this nice letter box. Inside of this box is another, and this one feels like rubberized leather. It is probably some kind of artificial leather, but it does feel quite nice. So let's open it and see what we have inside. Oh, the watch has been tilted quite a long way. Inside is another leather pillow. All of this is like suede leather. And here is the watch. Let's move this away. Wow. Let me zoom in so you can see. Let's peel this off. And here's the stunning watch. And this one really is stunning. Look at it. They currently have two models. They have the full calendar model with the moon phase display, but I didn't like that. It was kind of busy for me. And then they had this simpler version that has only the moon phase and the minute and hour hand. It doesn't even have a seconds hand. And look at it. It's very simple yet kind of sporty, and it has this cool swirl pattern on the center of the dial, and it has all the applied markers. Look, they're highly polished, the numerals and the actual stick markers that seem to have lume on them. Wow, the case is very nicely shaped. It's 38 millimeters, I believe, in diameter, and just 10 millimeters in thickness, which really shows. It comes on this matching leather, blue leather strap to match the dial. And the watch has a dip point buckle, which is pretty cool. It's a double trigger release, as you can see. That's pretty cool. Everything is polished. It even has like perlage on the inside. Let's take a look at the case back. So the case is completely polished. So it has a sapphire crystal, 580 and water resistant, and it has a Japanese movement, and this is a quartz. This is powered by a Miyota moon phase movement. Oh look, the strap comes with quick release pins, which is something I always like. Overall, I really like the look of it. It's very simple yet kind of sporty. It's a very cool casual watch, and being a quartz, it means it's a set it and forget it type of watch. So you don't have to wind it and set everything up once you do it, which is pretty useful because of the moon phase. Because if you had to reset the moon phase every time, that can be a bit of a problem. And it is a real moon phase, so it has a 28.5 day cycle. A pretty cool watch. The crown is signed, and I like how thin this case is. Even the lugs are thin. Everything is very, very elegant and sporty. Now, as usual, I will be doing a detailed review of this piece with a lot of macro shots, just like all my other reviews, and I really can't wait to see this one under macro as well, especially these numerals and these hands, because they really seem pretty crisp in this video. Now the final thing that we have to do before I sign off is naturally put it on my wrist, so just give me a second. And here we go. Let me zoom out a bit so you can see it better on my wrist. The strap has quite a lot of padding, so it's pretty stiff. As you can see, it's trying to dig into my wrist, but this is something that will change like after a week of wear, where the strap will form and follow the contours of your wrist, and it's gonna become pretty comfortable. But for now, it does look kind of weird on my wrist. But the watch, with its 38mm diameter, looks just stunning. And look at the thinness. It's really cool. I like this kind of size. This is something that, I mean, well, if you look at my collection, most of my watches are between 36 and 39, so this fits right in the middle. And I really like the way it looks on my wrist. It is a stunning piece. Look at that crystal. I really love this swirly dial. It's amazing. And I can't wait to see that under macro as well. Anyways, that's it. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. And like I said, stay tuned for the full review. And until the next video, bye.